Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the Apple ID you'll use. Open Settings and tap your name to verify the exact account. Once done, enable Contacts under iCloud and choose Merge if asked so local entries sync. Make sure your device has a stable Wi-Fi or cellular link. Poor connectivity prevents restores. You should also note whether you use multiple devices with the same Apple ID because syncing behavior depends on them. Now move to iCloud. COM or Device, restore options to recover entries. Next, go to iCloud. COM and sign in with the same Apple ID. Open Contacts and inspect recently deleted, select items and recover if present. If nothing shows, on a Mac or PC visit iCloud Settings, Account Advanced, and choose Restore Contacts from an archive date. This rolls back contact data. Alternatively, check device backups in iTunes or Finder for backup predating the loss. Be precise about dates. Restoring an archive replaces current contacts, so back up the present state first. Finish by forcing a sync. Toggle contacts off and back on in iCloud Settings, then wait for iCloud to upload and download entries. Once restored, scan for duplicates and use the Contacts app Merge Tools or iCloud. COM to clean up. If contacts still missing, sign out of your Apple ID, restart the device, sign back in, and try restore again. Also update iOS to the latest version. One key tip: if a restore fails, do not overwrite current data. Export a VCF of existing contacts before repeating the process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.